The Blipblox is a unique new music toy that gives kids and adults a whole new way to explore electronic music. Going far beyond a toy keyboard that just plays simple notes, the Blipblox is a real synthesizer that produces unique sounds by adjusting waveforms, modulations, and filters. A full understanding of how synthesizers work isn't necessary to explore the sounds. The Blipblox simplifies sound synthesis with big colorful controls and a signal path diagram that encourages interaction and learning. The green lines are musical notes. These are the melodies. The blue lines are control signals. These are the low-frequency oscillators and envelopes that shape the sounds. The red lines are audio signals. These are the sounds generated by the synthesizer. The signal flow moves across the Blipblox. Melodies start on the left. Sound is synthesized in the center, and then filtered on the right. Let's explore each of these sections. Creating music starts with the sequencer. The sequencer plays the musical notes that are synthesized into sound. The sequencer has hundreds of built-in melodies. Each time the sequencer select button is pressed, a new melody is randomly selected. The big lever on the left controls the tempo of the melody. It can go from very slow to crazy fast. The notes from the sequencer flow along the green line to the oscillator button. This is the very heart of the synthesizer. Here, musical notes, control signals, and oscillator waveforms combine to make the sound. The sound flows out of the oscillator over the red lines to the big filter lever on the right. The filter changes the tone of the sound. Finally, the audio flows through the volume control knob and out to the speaker. The sound wave is shaped by using the oscillator modulation select buttons and the two blue oscillator modulation knobs. Twist the knobs clockwise to increase the effect, counterclockwise to decrease. The gray knobs along the bottom control the modulation sources. These two low-frequency oscillators and one envelope generate the control signals that shape the sound. You can also use a modulation source to control the filter. There is also one dedicated amplifier envelope knob that controls how long each sound stays on in between notes. That's the basics of making sound with the Blipblox. There are lots of other fun features in the Blipblox to explore, like drums, song control, and sound randomization. Please check back for other videos that describe these features.